Rhythm and harmony on the stick. Okay, so this applies to obviously the stick. It also applies to piano and fingerstyle guitar. And this is kind of in terms of accompanying singers, which I do all the time. So let's say we have a tune that goes C major, G major, A minor, F major. Before you go into anything else, you want to establish some kind of pulse and some kind of rhythm. I tend to favor the whole note, meaning 4 counts. This way, if I feel something that's a bit looser over a longer period of time, I tend to be a little more relaxed and leave a little more space. So I would take that same progression, and now it's just the bass line. I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So just because you're counting out loud, which is great practice, by the way, all that you're doing is you're establishing a grid. It doesn't need to be a rigid grid like a metronome, although that's quite helpful in lots of cases. In this case, I'm just counting out loud. So I've got the bass notes in my left hand, and the next step is to, on the stick, or piano or guitar, is to find those notes someplace else to establish either some kind of harmony or some kind of counter line. So at first, on the stick, I try to find the root in my right hand. So if I'm playing a C here, I'm going to play a C here. If I'm going to play a G here, I'm going to play a G here. If I play an A here, I'm going to play an A here. And if I play an F here, I'm going to play an F here. Together it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that's cool, but there's no harmony because I'm just playing, not unison notes, but I'm playing just octaves of whatever bass notes I'm playing. So if I want to play a chord tone over the C chord, C has 3 notes in the triad, C, E, and G. So if I start to add harmony notes, sounds kind of nice, right? Over the G chord, I'm playing a B. Then over the A, I'm playing a C. And then over the F, I'll play an A.